Hey everyone, what if a told you see could be preparing for its next explosive move? But only after one critical drop. Today we are diving into a pattern that's catching smart money attention. Stick around because the chart might just be setting up for a move most traders will not see coming until it's too late. Okay guys? The first thing I would say is looking at the 1 hour chart. C is trading around the 0.3238 dollar. After a recent liquidity sweep, we have observed multiple market structure shifts MSS and breaks of structure BOS, confirming active smart money participation. Price has recently rejection from a fair value gap FVG, signaling that the sellers are momentarily in control. The short-term outlook suggested a potential retracement into the 0.3129 to 0.3183 support range, where buy-side interest could re-emerge. Paragraph. The next paragraph. The below projections path shows a possible move down to the liquidity zone near 0.3 before a bullish reversal. If the price respects that demand zone, we could see a rally targeting $0.32 and beyond. Traders should watch the 0.3183. Bonds here could trigger momentum for the fresh uptrend. On the flip side, a clean break below 0.3 would invalidate this bullish scenario and open the door for deeper correction. Do you think C will follow this smart money blueprint, or will the market surprise us with a different move? Drop your thought in the comment, and if you found this breakdown valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more unique crypto insights, and turn on the notification so you never miss the next big trade setup. Bye bye guys.